Hello and welcome back to... Yes, what we have here for news. Yesterday the guy from Weisfab was here and have visited me in my shop. He came from a long way from Estonia and it was pretty cool. Kasper, you're a real cool dude. If anybody don't know who's Weisfab, Weisfab are these guys here who make this awesome suspension parts that are so... oh, it's so amazing. I have parts here. I show you. Wait. You see that here? Wait. That is so amazing, this work here, this CNC work. I don't know if you can see it, but it is simply amazing. And it weighed nothing. Look here, here's a, wie heißt das, Waage? Weight? Ja, keine Ahnung. Take a look. 1.5 kilos for a complete knuckle. Knuckles is the name of this, or I don't know. Yes, and here something about 2 kilo or 1.9 kilos for this tie. For this part, I think the original part weighs easy 5 kilos. Okay, that by the way. Thank you for your visit. It was really cool. So yes, and he drives a Subaru Forester Turbo 2, and that makes him really sympathetic. What there are some other news. Oh yes, of course. We are 50,000 subscribers. Hey, that's amazing. I don't, for 1 month I have something about 20,000 or 15,000, I don't know. It's really amazing, and thank you all guys there out there. An alle Deutsche, ich habe euch super gern. Ihr könnt hier vorbeikommen und alles ist wunderbar. Wir können quatschen, aber mein YouTube, meine YouTube-Gemeinde ist echt, weiß nicht, 45.000 englischsprachig und ihr 5.000 sind in Deutschland. Deswegen, sorry, dass es so wenig deutsche Videos gibt, aber ich mag euch trotzdem. Vielleicht Englisch lernen ist auch nicht gut. Für mich ist das auch gut. Ich muss auch Englisch lernen. Ich kann das nicht. Aber ich arbeite dran. Die Überraschung, ich muss Englisch lesen. The surprise that I have for you in the end of this month, no, not in the end of this month, in 1 or 2 weeks is amazing. We have some delay, but I'm very excited of this thing, and when you see it, you will understand me. I just bought me this shake here. You see the color. It tastes like you bite in a lime and in a mint and in an Ingwer. Ingwer is Ingwer. Ingwer. What is Ingwer in English? Wait. Ingwer, das habe ich schon mal gehört. Ah, ginger. Yes, of course. And you bite in a lime and ginger and mint leaf at the same time. It tastes like this, but I think it is very healthy. Good. Yes. Oh, you like to have a picture from me? You can buy it in my online shop. What we have to do, we have very important things to do. I just start the GoPro because we have there an Subaru Forester from the last time, this white one. The engine is ready and we will start it. We never started before, and I hope that everything is fine. 1 second. Yes, okay, here we go. Don't forget duck sounds. Hi Lutti, say hello. Where's the big one? Fat one. Hello. Hi. Good Nacht. Okay, you can remember this car here? The Forester Turbo, Japanese model, with a big engine damage, automatic. Yes, okay. Actually we have no crankshaft sensor. We will start without first, then we can do some oil pressure, and then we started. We tried to start it. Really, it don't start it before. Let's see what happened. Whoa. Okay, fuel pressure is there. Okay. The oil control lamp is off. That means we have some oil pressure. Now yes. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ignition is there. Oh. I give a little bit throttle. I think we have some problems. Oh, it tried. Oh. Oh. Ignition is there, but maybe there's pretty old fuel, because the engine, the car stands for over 2.5 years, but I don't know. Here in Germany we have good fuel. I have to think about it. Okay, often it is so that the engine have a big issue, but that have always a reason. And often it is so that the O2 sensor has some problems, or the MAF sensor, the airflow sensor. And the first test from me is when fuel pressure is there and the rest is okay, that I change the MAF sensor, because there often is the problem that the engine gets a big damage. And I have always some MAF sensors here for the test. I change it now and then we try it again. Okay. First try. Hey. Okay, it runs. Yes. Let's check. Sounds good. Look at this disc here. Wow, over 2 years. Okay, engine is running good. But here is a lot of water. I really don't know what it is. I was engine off. Oh, I have to open. Whew. Yes, it's. But the engine, the mechanic sounds good, and now we will check the rest of every clamp and everything is good, and then we make the first ride. We let the engine run more than 2 or 3 times warm only in the shop, and later you get some news. Oil is good. Okay. Okay. Engine is warm, fans are running. We check if we have some air in the cooling system later, and then we go, I think not today, but then we go to the first test drive. And I would say thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and we see you in the next video. See you, bye bye.